You're looking at the all-new 2026 Subaru Impreza. And yes, this isn't just a minor update. Subaru has taken its well-loved compact hatch and made it bolder, smarter, and far more capable. If you thought the Impreza was just a practical commuter, it's time to reset those expectations. With sharper design, improved tech, and more power under the hood, the 2026 model is built to impress, pun intended. Today on Auto Insider, we're diving deep into what makes the new Impreza stand out. We'll cover its new styling, interior upgrades, performance, safety features, off-road chops, trim options, and what makes it a smart pick in a crowded segment. And by the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of whether this compact hatch is the right fit for your lifestyle. Let's start with the exterior. The Impreza now looks more mature and assertive. Subaru's new design direction brings a wider stance, sleeker LED headlights, and a more aggressive front grille. The body lines are more sculpted, and the rear end is cleaned up with sharper taillights and a sportier bumper design. Even the base model looks good, but the RS trim adds exclusive dark accents, RS badging, and 18-inch alloy wheels for extra presence. It's still a compact hatch, but now it turns more heads doing it. Subaru fans will notice how it echoes some of the WRX's sporty cues, while still keeping the daily usability intact. What also stands out is the attention to aerodynamics. Subaru engineers have subtly improved airflow with redesigned side mirrors, improved underbody cladding, and a sleeker rear spoiler. These enhancements may seem minor, but they contribute to better efficiency and stability at higher speeds. Step inside and the upgrades continue. Subaru has stepped up its game when it comes to cabin layout, build quality, and tech integration. The dashboard is cleaner and more modern, and depending on the trim, you'll find an 11.6-inch vertically oriented touchscreen front and center. That display, available on the Sport and RS trims, runs Subaru's updated Starlink system, and it supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It's fast, easy to use, and brings the Impreza's tech game in line with more premium rivals. But below the screen, climate controls are more logically placed, and Subaru has reduced button clutter without sacrificing usability. There are even physical knobs for volume and tuning, which we appreciate in a world of all-touch interfaces. Another thing to note is cabin noise, or rather, the lack of it. Subaru has added more insulation around the wheel wells and under the floor, which makes highway cruising noticeably quieter. For drivers who spend a lot of time on the road, that makes a big difference. The seats have better cushioning and bolstering than before, making long drives more comfortable. On higher trims, you get sporty touches like red stitching, contrast piping, and aluminum pedals. Rear seat legroom remains generous for the segment, and with the hatchback layout, you get a versatile cargo area, perfect for commuters, students, or anyone with a weekend adventure on the schedule. Hold the seats flat, and you'll find more than enough space for bikes, camping gear, or a few suitcases. Subaru also added new tie-down hooks and a dual-level cargo floor for better organization. Now let's talk performance. The 2026 Impreza offers two engines. The base and sport trims are powered by a 2-liter flat-4 boxer engine, making 152 horsepower and 145 pound-feet of torque. It's smooth and predictable, ideal for daily driving. But if you want more punch, the RS trim brings a 2.5-liter flat-4 producing 182 horsepower and 178 pound-feet of torque. This is where the Impreza starts to feel more alive. Acceleration is sharper, throttle response is quicker, and the overall driving experience is more engaging. Both engines are paired with a Lineartronic CVT, which is tuned better than previous generations. It simulates gear shifts under hard acceleration, reducing the rubber band effect. For those craving more involvement, paddle shifters on the Sport and RS trims give a bit more control. Power is delivered through Subaru's signature Symmetrical all-wheel drive system, standard across all trims. That's something most competitors can't match, especially at this price point. Handling is solid, steering feels more responsive than before, and the ride quality strikes a great balance between comfort and control. Whether you're on a twisty back road or navigating a crowded city, the Impreza feels planted and confident. It also features revised suspension geometry that improves cornering stability without sacrificing ride comfort. But what about when the pavement ends? Subaru didn't forget its roots. While the Impreza isn't as rugged as a Crosstrek, it still handles light trails, snow, and gravel with ease. You get 5.1 inches of ground clearance and an advanced AWD system that makes a real difference in poor weather. The hill hold assist and active torque vectoring also help keep things under control on slick surfaces. So whether you're heading to the mountains or just navigating a rainy commute, the Impreza has your back. A new dual-functional X mode, available on RS, further improves grip and throttle modulation on loose surfaces. Safety is a big part of the Subaru DNA, and the 2026 model comes standard with the latest version of the EyeSight driver assist technology that includes adaptive cruise control, lane centering, pre-collision braking, and lane departure prevention. These systems are smoother and more intuitive than ever before, reducing false alerts and reacting more naturally to traffic conditions. The camera system behind EyeSight now has a wider field of view and improved low-light performance. That means better detection of pedestrians, cyclists, and vehicles in more driving conditions. On higher trims, you also get blind spot detection, rear cross-traffic alert, and a 360-degree camera for easier parking and maneuvering. Subaru has made real improvements to how quickly and precisely these systems respond. So you're not just getting a checklist of features, you're getting meaningful assistance that helps in real-world situations. And let's not forget the driver-focused distraction mitigation system, which uses facial recognition to monitor driver alertness and encourage safer habits. Let's break down the trim levels and pricing. The base Impreza starts at $23,500, 0 cents, and includes standard AWD, dual 7-inch displays and core safety features. It's a solid value, especially for budget-conscious drivers who still want capability and dependability. The sport trim starting around $25,800, 0 cents, adds a more premium look with gloss black trim, 18-inch wheels, the upgraded touchscreen, and a sport-tuned suspension for a more connected drive. Inside, you get upgraded materials, keyless entry, and push-button start. Sport trim buyers also get access to optional features like a Harman Kardon audio system and a power moonroof. The top-of-the-line RS starts at $28,900, 0 cents, and gives you the 2.5-liter engine, RS-exclusive styling, premium interior touches, heated front seats, and additional safety and tech features. If you want the full Impreza experience, this is the trim to get. Subaru has clearly aimed this at younger buyers who want performance without giving up comfort or practicality. So, what's the verdict? The 2026 Subaru Impreza isn't flashy, but that's what makes it so good. It doesn't rely on gimmicks, it delivers where it matters. Solid AWD capability, a smooth and upgraded powertrain, great tech, strong safety features, and practical hatchback versatility. If you're looking for a car that handles everything from weekday commutes to weekend escapes and does it all without breaking the bank, the new Impreza should absolutely be on your radar. Compared to rivals like the Mazda 3, Toyota Corolla hatchback, or Honda Civic, the Impreza stands out with its all-weather confidence, reliable flat-4 engines, and now a more mature, refined personality. It's a car that doesn't scream for attention but earns it with thoughtful improvements and real-world capability. Whether you're a first-time buyer or a long-time Subaru loyalist, the Impreza makes a strong case for being your next daily driver. But what do you think? Is this the Impreza we've been waiting for? Has Subaru finally nailed the balance between daily usability and driver engagement? Let us know in the comments below. We always read what you have to say. And if you enjoyed this review, give us a like, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell so you never miss an episode of Auto Insider. We've got another exciting car review coming soon, and trust me, you don't want to miss it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.